Hello and welcome to Friday Flowers. Today we're going to do a pattern called Squeek. Let's make our frame. Okay, and I'm going to be using my O1 and it goes like this. Make a spiral and then make a spiral on the other side. Okay, then we're going to use this V right here to make like a kind of a petal. So if you have trouble making these shapes, you can just imagine that you're doing poke root, and that's a lot easier. There we go. And then I'm going to turn this to the side and do a smaller one in this V right here. And then I'm going to turn it to the other side and do the same thing. And then in the step outs, she puts like 2 little dots right here. I don't want to do that. I want to decorate it like a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is put a line up here and here and here. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is just darken this line a tiny bit on this side of the side leaves. My pen is not cooperating. Okay. Alrighty. So that's really pretty. So, and then that's really basically it. So we can put the 2 dots in there like she has done in her step outs. And they just kind of look like they're floating, which is okay. But I think what I'm going to do is just kind of make a little stem that goes off like that. So they don't look like they're floating. They look like they're part of the flower. Okay, so let's just shade this real quick. I think what I definitely want to do is highlight this V right here. And I'm going to put some here and here. And then I'm going to put some right here. Just a little tiny bit. And then that is Squeek. Oh, I forgot to do the frame. And there we go. So I think what I'm going to do with the frame is I'm going to draw a little flame color in here. It's kind of too messy, so I wanted to kind of just bring it together. And that looks better.